A few days ago, CircuitPython released a stable version 7.2.0. There are improvements for the Raspberry Pi board based on the Broadcom chip. For this tutorial, I will share how to program a Raspberry Pi 0 to W without an operating system. Visit CircuitPython website and go to the Raspberry Pi 0 to W page, download the zip file, flash the file to the SD card using the Raspberry Pi imager. After flashing, insert the SD card into the board. I also use the Maker Hat to test my program for LEDs, buttons and puzzle easier. Plug the USB cable into the OTG port and your computer will detect the Raspberry Pi board as a CircuitPy drive. Next, you can write the CircuitPython coding as usual. Save the file to run the program. That's all for today and stay tuned for the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.